Hi, my name is Will Rasper with Copper Pipe Plumbing Services. We're located in Maineville, Ohio. Our phone number is 513-813-7526. And you can find us online at copperpipeplumbingservicesinc.com. If you'd like to contact us that way, we do have a place on there. You can press the button and send us an email. And once again, we're a small local plumbing company here, and we want to take care of your needs, whether it be for your residence or for your place of business. We'd be glad to help you. We do a lot of things like water heater repair, replacement. We can fix a leaky toilet. We can fix a leaky faucet. We can take care of your sump pump if it doesn't work. So any problems, if you need backflow testing here in Maineville, Ohio, give us a call today. Once again, it's Will Rasper with Copper Pipe Plumbing Services. Our number is 513-813-7526. And we're copperpipeplumbingservicesinc.com. And hey, have a great day.